Looking for a way to grow your crypto without constantly watching charts or stressing over every market move? Orbifina is an intelligent, AI-powered crypto trading platform designed for Canadian investors who want consistent results, automatically and with zero hassle. It streamlines the entire investing process, removing manual tasks and helping users earn reliable returns, even with no previous trading experience. To celebrate its 2025 launch in Canada, Orbifina is offering a limited-time welcome bonus for new users. By signing up through the official link, you'll receive extra trading credit to boost your early gains. This exclusive offer is only available during the early access phase, and spots are going fast. So now's the perfect time to jump in. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock everything Orbifina has to offer in Canada. By combining real-time market analysis with intelligent automation, Orbifina runs 24/7, scanning the crypto market and executing trades on your behalf. With reported daily profits between 100 and 500 Canadian dollars, and some users achieving monthly returns up to 70%, the platform is one of the most effective ways to invest in crypto passively. No technical skills? No problem. Orbifina takes care of it all in the background. What makes Orbifina stand out is its Canada-based infrastructure and full compliance with national regulations, including FINTRAC, KYC, AML, and CRA standards. Your personal data and funds are protected using bank-grade encryption and privacy protocols. Whether you're a beginner or already trading, the platform's intelligent design makes investing easier than ever. Thousands across Canada and beyond are using Orbifina to earn hands-free crypto income. It's trusted for its consistency, simplicity, and performance. Built to break down barriers and help everyday users grow wealth in crypto without the usual hassle. Just imagine your portfolio growing daily. No late-night trading or confusing charts involved. Orbifina works with major crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, letting you link your wallet and start trading in just a few minutes. The AI at its core is built by top fintech engineers and is constantly learning to adjust strategies based on changing market trends, helping reduce risk while chasing better returns. Click the link in the description to activate your welcome bonus and experience the full power of Orbifina in Canada. Support matters too. A dedicated Canada-based team is available 24/7 to help you with setup, questions, or advanced features. If you're looking for a reliable, smart, and locally supported crypto income tool, this is your moment. As digital finance grows, Orbifina is positioning itself as the go-to solution for Canadians who want long-term, automated investing. Whether your goal is to diversify, build passive income, or stay ahead of market trends, this platform delivers a dependable, future-ready experience tailored to your needs. Don't miss out. Click the link now to claim your bonus and get started with Orbifina.